In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in ManyChat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to securely update the card on file for your subscription. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace and have your new card details ready. As always, keep sensitive information private and don't share card numbers or passwords on screen. Start on the Home tab inside your ManyChat account. This is your main dashboard and the safest place to begin because it confirms you're in the right workspace and helps avoid changing billing on the wrong account. From here, open Settings. You'll typically find it in the left sidebar. If you don't see it, you may not have the right permissions, so check with the owner or an admin in your workspace. Inside Settings, go to the billing area and select Subscription. This page shows your current plan, renewal date, and the options available to manage payment. It's the hub for anything related to your plan and card details. Next, click Start Free Trial. Even if you're simply updating a card, ManyChat uses this pathway to open the checkout form where payment methods are added or changed. Don't worry, this action won't charge you immediately, it just prepares the subscription flow. Then, click Start Pro for free. This launches the secure checkout window. The form is provided by a trusted payment processor, so the data you enter here is encrypted and handled securely. On the checkout page, carefully enter your payment details. Add the card number, expiration date, and the security code, along with the billing name and address exactly as they appear on your statement. If you're using a company card, use the company's legal billing address. Double-check the postal or zip code and select the correct country to avoid verification errors. Some banks may prompt you for an extra authentication step. Complete that if it appears. When everything looks correct, click Save. This stores your new payment method with the subscription. You should see a confirmation, and the subscription section in ManyChat will reflect your updated card. If the labels in your account differ slightly, just follow the same flow until you reach the payment form and save your changes. If Save is disabled, look for missing fields or formatting errors, such as an incomplete card number or an incorrect postal code. For declines, try a different card or contact your bank. And if you manage multiple workspaces, confirm you're updating the intended one, since payment methods are workspace specific. That's it, your payment method in ManyChat is now updated and ready for future billing.